With me, your host, Kimberly De Guzman,
and Eunice Parales, we are very proud to present today a private talk with Mr. Reynaldo Piedra.
a successful seaman for 19 years, a father of two, a husband, and a very responsible head of the family.
Good afternoon, Mr. Reynaldo. So, Mr. Reynaldo, shall we start?
Yes, please.
Let's talk first about your profession. We all know that you're a seaman for 19 years. Was that your first choice?
No, I don't have any choice on that time.
Who influenced you to choose your profession?
Yeah, sorry father, that the last influenced me on that time because they think that that is the easiest way to earn more money.
Yeah. What are the plans that you have made before going out to your first trip? Like your family plans?
Your future plans, and where the salary will be spent?
Well, I first stop spending my salary to buy my own house and lot, of course, to my children, own family. And then, of course, saving for a bank for their future, for their studies.
Thank you. Stay tuned because Private Talk will be right back.